My name is Dr. Alan List. I'm the president and CEO at Moffitt Cancer Center. This is Moffitt Day, our 13th annual Moffitt Day here in the state capitol. We're here to remind the legislature of our purpose, creating the state statute, and what we've been able to accomplish with their investment over the years. The day really started off, many of us started meeting with some of the legislators. They Speak Out for Moffitt volunteers arrived, and then about 15 minutes after that, we had 21 cyclists, what we call Cure on Wheels, that had rode their bikes leaving Moffitt at early Sunday morning and riding 325 miles up here to the state capitol this morning.
Very challenging, very inspirational, had some wonderful people to travel with. I have, unfortunately, loved ones who have been affected by cancer, and it's a fundraising opportunity, an opportunity to bring awareness to what's happening in cancer research today.
We had a press conference. We talked about what we've accomplished here at Moffitt, some of the new breakthroughs, the volume of students that we're training in education, and really what our needs are going forward, working with the state legislatures. In just 2 years, by 2020, we'll have only half of the oncologists that we need to be able to manage our patients with cancer. So the educational part of what we do is growing, and the need and the demand is important.
Thank you, Mr. Moffitt, from the bottom of my heart, for seeing a need 30 years ago and doing something about it. One person's initiative can change the world, and because of you, countless lives have been saved. Thank you for never settling for anything less than the best.
This is actually my third Moffitt Day. I really love the experience. It brings together postdoctoral fellows, Moffitt leadership, Moffitt patients, Moffitt caregivers, Moffitt employees up to the Capitol to talk to legislators about the awesome work that we do at Moffitt and why it's so important that we continue to have their support. Everyone knows the great work that we're doing, so we walk in there, they know who we are, they know Moffitt, and oftentimes they even tell us stories about their own experience with their families, experience with their constituents, and it's just a really easy conversation to have.
What we also need to do now is expand our capacity so that we can truly live up to our responsibility of being the state's cancer center and taking care of our population of cancer patients. And as our population ages, we're seeing more and more cancers being diagnosed. So we want to be well positioned to serve the Florida communities.
Today really is about building relationships. We don't have the opportunity to spend a lot of time with the legislators during the legislative session. They're very busy, but we are very fortunate to have all the people here, whether it's the Moffitt volunteers, the cyclists, or the staff here from Moffitt, to have time with each of them, tell our story, and tell really the importance and the impact that we have for citizens of Florida. It's our opportunity to really tell our story and get their support.